Hello, next community. What do you have to say, Bella? Are you hungry? Yes. So Bella has decided that 5 a.m. is a good time to start the day. I'll get you in a second. I'm gonna show my customers what's going on. So here we have some cube cases. I think you guys will like this project. Now, if you find yourself getting to this situation on a project with the next, hey, feel free to reach out. I will be happy to help. I'm not sure what happened there, but you know, uh, I at any rate, I will make it better, little cube. You'll be okay. You found the right place. So here we have. I've disassembled some of the cubes, and then yeah, my friend, former roommate Todd is a professional painter. He's been doing it, since the dawn of time. He may have painted the pyramids. At any rate, so what we have here are NeXT cube cases, and I've stripped them all the way down. And I said, "Hey, I'm not sure if I like the gloss." I said they must have mixed up, the formula, because when we've done it before, it's come out with a nice flat, mat to match the original patina of NeXT cube cases. That's kind of the goal. I don't know. Some people might like a little bit of a gloss to it. I kind of prefer the flat black. They call it NeXT Black. As the shininess, I don't feel suits the hardware. Some people may like it. You can let me know. So what we're doing is, since these have this gloss finish, and it's a really nice job, on the paint here. But I'm going to have them, we're going to kind of sand it down, and then we're going to go over it. We've got them mixing up the custom formula at Sherwin-Williams. They actually stopped making that particular flavor of paint, and we've got the industrial site. I think what we're going to try here is go over to an auto body shop. And so there's kind of some info on someone that used a different style of paint made for automobiles, and then they added a little bit of cyan and white to match the original color and patina of NeXT cubes. So it's spot on. And one of the things I'm entertaining setting up here is, to do powder coating. But for now, Todd does, a great job just spraying. So I invested in this a portable paint booth with air circulation. You inflate it, and it'll be outside, so that there won't be all this paint flying around and getting everywhere like he's done in the past, which will be good. So Bella's been really patient. Um, some of the cases I have are in excellent condition and do not need a refurb, but some of them clearly do. Like, I would say this one, and the ones that are a little bit shiny. I'm a little bit out of it because I wasn't intending on starting the day here, at 5 a.m. But, you got to take care of the cat. And my mind is going anyway. I got a lot of things on my mind. I'm happy I finished the AI class. And this is another example of, maybe I'm becoming AI, working around the clock. At any rate, folks, hey, I'm Rob Blessin And this is Bella. And we're going to get some stuff done today. And I'll take a little nap or a midday siesta here in a little bit. Excited about the paint. Excited about the projects for Phil and John, the Cube projects. I've been kind of working on those as well. And started breaking down the cases. I like to break them down anyway, um, to clear out all the dust bunnies and anything that may be living in there. I'm a. This is actually Bella talking. I'm just kidding. At any rate, stay tuned. More loopiness to come from the black hole. I'm sure I'm not alone with the Navy SEAL cat communication network. It seems like 5 a.m. is best, right? Okay. Have a good day. We'll talk soon. Hey, it's Friday, though. Woohoo.